you mine. Take my broken parts and fix me now. I can't feel a thing. My heart isn't bleeding. Believe me, I wanna know. Replace my broken parts. I need someone to fix me. My heart won't heal, 'cause something's missing. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. Replace my broken parts. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. You keep it within. I wanna go deeper under your skin. So come on and play. Just let me control you in this game. Takes a human heart to feel alive. So let me inside. My heart isn't bleeding. Believe me, I need to know. Replace my broken parts. I need someone to fix me. My heart won't heal, 'cause something's missing. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. Replace my broken parts. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. Replace my broken parts. Machines don't bleed that easily. I feel no pain. Replace my broken parts. Replace my broken parts. Replace my broken Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. Replace my broken parts. I need someone to fix me. My heart won't heal, 'cause something's missing. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now. Replace my broken parts. Machines don't bleed that easily. Fix me now.
Everybody hurts, everybody bleeds, everybody bends to fill a need. Everybody's born with their own curse, and I'm not alone. Everybody cries, everybody breathes, everybody wants to feel they're free. Deep inside I know what I am worth, a life of my own. It could have been much worse, but it should have been better. I know I hurt you, deserted you, and now I see it clear. I pulled you closer, tighter, 'cause I knew you'd disappear. I just can't compromise, apologize. There's nothing you can say. Oh, we both knew it would always end this way. Everybody pains, everybody grieves, everybody's waking up like thieves. Every soul's aching for release. You're not alone. Everybody lives, everybody leaves, everybody begs but don't There's nothing you can say. We both know it always ends this way. Knew it end this way. We knew it end this way. And now I see it clear. I pulled you closer, tighter, 'cause I knew you'd disappear. I just can't compromise, apologize. There's nothing you can say. We both knew it would always end this way. We both know it always ends this way. It would always end this way.
Too long now, there were secrets in my mind. For too long now, there were things I should have said. In the darkness, I was stumbling for the door to find a reason, to find the time, the place, the hour, waiting for the winter sun and the cold light of day. The misty ghosts of childhood fears. The pressure is building and I can't stay away. I throw myself into the sea. Release the wave, let it wash over me. To face the fear I once believed. The tears of the dragon for you and for me. Where I was, I had wings that couldn't fly. Where I was, I had tears I couldn't cry. My emotions frozen in an icy lake. I couldn't feel them until the ice began to break. I have no power over this. You know I'm afraid. The walls I built are crumbling. The water is moving. I'm slipping away. I throw myself into the sea.
built are crumbling. The water is moving. I'm slipping